Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your computer and device for a USB sync process. Use a USB 3.0 cable no longer than 3 feet for reliable data transfer. Ensure the device battery is at least 50% or connect the device to a charger during syncing. Update and install the latest driver or syncing app on your computer before connecting. Close other applications that might use USB ports and free up system resources for faster transfer. Confirm you have an available USB port and any necessary adapters ready. Plug the device into a powered USB 3.0 port and unlock the device screen. If the device prompts, choose File Transfer or MTP mode to enable data access. On the computer, open the syncing app or file manager to recognize the device. Grant any permission requests on the device for file access and data transfer. In the syncing app, select the folders or categories you want to sync and confirm the destination path. Verify the app shows device storage and available free space before starting. Start the sync operation in the app and monitor the transfer progress bar closely. Wait until the app reports 100% completion or a success message before disconnecting. After the transfer finishes, verify key files opened correctly and check file sizes or checksums. Eject the device safely using the operating system eject command before unplugging the cable. If the transfer fails, retry using a different cable or a USB 2.0 port and repeat the process. Keep backups and consider using a cloud sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.